Good morning, I'm Mike McKillican. This is the Dinghy Dock Pub, world famous. Included is a ferry service, a marina, a pub that is high grossing, as well as a waterfront home. Fantastic Nanaimo location. This island is actually called Protection Island, and it is part of the City of Nanaimo. It's approximately 10 minutes by mini ferry that is part of this service to the ferry. To the pub itself. 2.6 million is a couple ferries. A great opportunity for somebody that has a family that wants to take over a business like this. It's gorgeous. Please give us a call, 250-756-2112. And again, it's Michael McKillican, Sutton, West Coast, Nanaimo.